गाइस क्यों ना हम सुने इस नौजवान को।
अक्षय कुमार को बोले हटो हटो खोलो ना मेरे को चुपचाप, एंड देन पीछे से सुनील शेट्टी सेज ए मैं ना आगे बैठूंगा, मुझे जल्दी पहुंचना है। This is so stupid, but this is so funny, dude.
With Salman in this kind of a role, I would fucking love.
I would want to watch Katrina in a full-blown action film. I have said it time and again. I think Katrina is one of the best action stars in the country. Period.
Katrina has burnt all her bridges. It feels like.
Katrina nahi, Kangana.
Katrina Ranaut is one of my favorite actresses. But Kangana Kaif sucks.
Bro, कंगना को एक्चुअली अगर तुम मैडॉक यूनिवर्स में डाल दो,
ओ उसको तो बेका की भी जरूरत नहीं है।
एक तो साला टार्जन क्या पसंद आ गया, लोग मेरे को सीरियसली नहीं लेते हुए चैनल पे।
अक्षय कुमार is next.
अक्षय कुमार।
I think that is gonna be a very unanimous.
Yeah, it's gonna be a very unanimous. Okay, let's say it on 3. ठीक है? 1, 2, 3.
You know, there comes a time in an actor's career where they do horrible, terrible, no good films. So what should people like us do? People like me, Snehil and Akash, our guest on this episode. What should we do? Snehil?
जो उनको इतना प्यार करते हैं,
हाँ,
जो हम चाहते हैं कि सिर्फ उनकी लाइफ में सिर्फ अच्छा हो,
you tell them.
we tell them कि ये करो, हमें सुनो,
Yes.
सब्सक्राइब करो।
सबसे पहले वो करो and then जो हम बोलते हैं और dance
हाँ,
at the beat of our drums.
of our drums, yes.
Is that how it works?
ऐसा fingers पे एकदम।
That's a very. Are you fondling the balls? What is this? That's fondling balls.
अच्छा ऐसा होता है।
Yeah,
मुझे
what
नहीं आइडिया भाई।
What do you think it was?
मुझे लगा, मैं तो कह रहा था हमारी उंगलियों में नाचो।
That was a very confusing start to this episode of Pop Conversation. I'm Antrish Thakkar, joined by
Snehil Areja.
and we again this week as well are joined by Akash Bhatnagar.
He's our substitute Abbas.
Yeah, and clearly all three of us are still here from last week.
Yeah, last week.
Yeah.
In the same clothes.
Correct. That was the intention. Yeah. You explained it for us. I like it. I like it. Oh yeah, same clothes, is that right? Oh.
Yes.
Yeah. You think if at any point anyone's missing the fact that you guys came color coordinated?
We couldn't make it more clearer.
Yeah, we are flatmates.
Yeah, correct.
And a lovely couple.
Yeah. So in all honesty, guys, we are doing 2 back-to-back recordings because that's how much we care about you guys.
About you.
And want to make sure that we have episodes banked, so we're not in a rush or in a frenzy to record an episode last minute.
Exactly.
Like we usually are.
भाई की शादी भी तो है. हम लोग तो वहाँ चले जाएंगे.
But that is secondary.
That is secondary, yes.
Of course.
Getting the episode to you is the primary.
Yes.
Primary motive.
And
of us
tertiary
being here.
is Abbas will be back at some point. Eventually.
आवाज ने फोन उठाना बंद कर दिया.
एक चूतिया ये लोग एक और वो कर रहे हैं.
These plebs.
He will be back. Yes. Don't worry. He will be back. He hasn't left us. He's still around.
पता है वो होता है ना जब किसी कॉलेज कॉन्सर्ट में क्राउड को कंट्रोल करना होता है तो दे विल बी लाइक वो बस बैक स्टेज आ ही चुके हैं. वो बस सेलिब्रिटी आने ही वाला है.
No, this exact thing happened. I'm not even kidding.
ये हर कॉलेज में होता है.
So I was at Zubin Nautiyal concert. Okay, just 2 weeks back.
Yeah.
With Kirti, we had gone to NSCI townside. Fucking amazing concert. Okay, but the concert, like the 8 o'clock concert.
Yeah.
And he's supposed to be on stage. No, it was 6 o'clock concert. He's supposed to be on stage at 8.
8 o'clock. Yeah.
So most people are planning their attendance by 8.
हाँ, 7 तक पहुँच.
Opening होना है. So we reached by 8, and opening is still going on, which is again fine.
Fair. Okay.
So, but there's an announcer, and like overly enthusiastic announcer host. I mean,
हम जैसे लोग.
हाँ, correct. नहीं, हम जैसे नहीं.
हमसे better.
मतलब, he's on stage. Is that what I'm saying?
हम जैसे लोगों को अगर स्टेज मिल जाए तो basically.
I don't know.
Guys, it's 1:15 a.m.
Yeah. So this guy, okay, so he says, अच्छा आप Zubin Nautiyal आ रहे हैं. मेरा नाम है, whatever he said his name was. Please follow me on the sun. और अब आते ही हैं Zubin Nautiyal. तो yeah.
And he doesn't come.
Yes. Please keep clapping. Huge round of applause for Zubin Nautiyal. Hey, yes, Zubin, yes. Okay, कोई नामो निशान नहीं. Okay, this banda goes backstage. Okay, so now we can hear his voice from backstage. Like,
मेरा 2 बार चूतिया कटवा चुके हैं.
Yeah, correct. No, इसको अभी भी इसको जोश है. I don't know why. Okay, so he goes, Don't worry, guys. He's right here. I'm being told that he should be here in front of me any second. And now I see him. Getting ready, putting up his socks, wearing his jacket, and coming on stage now is Zubin Nautiyal. No Zubin Nautiyal. Okay, this fucker now is embarrassed.
Of course.
Okay,
dude.
now he's embarrassed.
Yeah.
He don't know what to do because see, he's doing his job. His
Yeah.
job is to keep the crowd hyped. Don't let the energy drop,
Yeah.
etc., etc. So he's doing the best he can. So now he has to come back on stage. Zubin must have been like stuck in traffic or something. Okay, because he is not even clearly on the fucking campus.
Yeah.
Okay, because this guy has to come back on stage, and now he's like, अच्छा, अब आप में से कोई गाना जाएगा? He starts pulling up.
वो इसलिए नहीं आ रहे हैं क्योंकि आप उतना
Talent.
शोर नहीं मचा रहे
Yes,
हैं।
correct.
आप
ये
और
भी
तेज तालियां
ये
बजाइए।
भी बोला उसने.
Bro,
So,
this
tried everything.
is so college.
Correct. So college. Dude, fucking after the fifth, like the fifth minute, because it was going on for like a good 10 minutes.
गाना रहा बाढ़ में जाओ
Dude, this guy's embarrassed. The crowd is angry, dude. The crowd is just angry. No! Guys, ये कितना अच्छा गाया इन्होंने. Please do huge round of applause. Okay, we give them a round of applause because you know fair
वो बेचारा
person
क्या
trying.
ही
हाँ,
करे.
exactly.
हाँ.
Okay, then he'll call the next guy. At this point, people are like, boo! No! Guys, क्यों ना हम सुने इस नौजवान को? नहीं! Get Zubin out.
नौजवान नहीं नौटियाल लाओ बे
क्या नौजवान. तो yeah, well, but great fucking concert. Zubin Nautiyal.
इस तेरे साथ भी तो हुआ था वो जब शाहरुख
So I was in Hansraj and
he's an Hansraj
Shahrukh.
alumni by the way.
Hansraj.
Yeah, dude.
From Bhavan's College.
By
Delhi
DU
University.
DU का Hansraj.
yeah, not Mumbai.
Dude, I was in Rajhans Vidyalaya.
So fan के time आ रहा है शाहरुख खान and
fan के नहीं.
fan के time. Yeah, वो डिग्री लेने आ रहे थे ना.
Shahrukh is also an alumni of
Oh,
Hansraj.
अच्छा हो गया.
Yeah.
So हमारी प्रिंसिपल स्टेज पे चढ़ के बोलती है कि so you have to understand कि जैसे वर्सोवा मेट्रो स्टेशन से यारी रोड है. That's how far is विश्वविद्यालय स्टेशन से हंसराज कॉलेज. And my principal has come on stage and said, शाहरुख खान जी बस विश्वविद्यालय स्टेशन पहुंच गए. वो कह रहे हैं मैं आगे तभी बढ़ूंगा जब बच्चे शांत होंगे. आप लोग बहुत शोर मचा रहे हैं. तो आप शांत होंगे तो शाहरुख जी. And everyone is like,
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah, correct. वो स्टेशन पे वेट कर रहा है.
बैठ के आता हूँ.
स्टेशन पे वेट कर रहा है.
शाहरुख शेयरिंग का वेट कर रहा है.
Correct.
मैं नहीं बुला रहा
जब तक 5 नहीं बैठ रहे. Oh dude, fuck.
But yeah, what if the principal was right, you know? That one day Shahrukh car was repairing.
शाहरुख के दरवाजे बाईं और खुल ही नहीं रहे.
क्या करें बेचारा? What is to be done? Oh, well.
Oh dude, fuck.
So we have a very fun episode planned today.
Yes.
Where we're going to be talking about literally, so we have like some of our favorite actors, okay,
Yes.
who we have grown up watching.
Favorite mainstream A-listers.
Absolutely,
Yeah.
without a doubt. But so we've grown up watching them and
Yes.
being in love with them and appreciating their films, and some of our favorite films are come from these actors and actresses.
Yes.
But what happens sometimes in their career, and especially a period that they're going through right now as we speak, is their films haven't been working that well,
Yeah, or they haven't been doing as many films.
or they're not doing as many films,
Yes.
or they're doing the wrong kind of films according to
the
us,
audience and
according to the
us,
audience
yes.
and us. So we thought, let's take an episode and
Huh.
seeing how we think that we are the biggest brains
Yes.
in
Yeah.
all of the earth, all
Bollywood,
of Mother
yes.
Earth.
Yeah.
So we thought, why not us give these actors some much needed help
Yeah.
in the
Yeah.
form of tips
और हम advice देते
and
हैं.
advice as to what they can do,
We are the
what
film
kind of
doctors.
roles,
Yeah.
what kind of films, what kind of directors should they be working with, so that their career
Yeah.
gets back on track.
इतना सब तुम नहीं बोला था मुझे प्रिपेयर करने के लिए. मैं डायरेक्टर तो नहीं सोचे थे.
मैंने भी नहीं सोचा. नहीं वहाँ करो.
This was his वो मेरे सामने खड़े हैं moment.
Yes, correct. मेरे सामने खड़े जैकेट पहन ही रहे हैं.
पहन ही लिया उन्होंने. और वो तो बंदा. ब्रो आप लोगों ने किसी का भाई किसी की जान नहीं देखी ना.
क्यों देखेंगे?
जैकेट पहनने से मुझे याद आया.
Oh, I know this. I know, of course, it's famous.
हम साथ में गए थे.
हम हाँ गेटी देखने गए थे ब्रो. जैकेट हवा में वेट करती है भाई कि भाई
Correct.
जंप मारे और मुझे पहन ले. फिर सलमान भाई हवा में जैकेट पहनते हैं.
पर भाई
और फिर वो
जैकेट इज ग्रेटर देन ग्रेविटी.
What is gravity? Who's
What is
gravity?
gravity? No gravity.
कौन से पीटा ब्रेड के साथ खाते हैं भाई ग्रेविटी को?
No gravity in the movie and no gravitas also.
भाई सलमान भाई चल रहे होते हैं किसी का भाई किसी की जान में, और सामने एक थार खड़ी होती है। सलमान भाई को आगे जाना है पर बीच में थार खड़ी है, तो सलमान भाई ऐसे नहीं जाते। सलमान भाई जाते जाते ऐसे थार उठाते हैं, साइड करते हैं और सीधे चले जाते हैं।
Mahindra Thar. What an insult. What an insult, bro.
भाई दो हाथ भी नहीं लगाते भाई, हाथ करते साइड करते हैं।
ऐसे पैर से फ्लिक करना था ना, पैर से फ्लिक करना था।
कह रहे कौन
हाथ भी
तो ये नहीं किया
या हाथ भी करने क्यों
महिंद्रा
किया?
थार होगी अपने घर पे, ठीक
हाँ
है?
ठीक है। यहाँ पे तो भाई के
मेरे
पैर
सेट में तो थर्माकोल है
भाई I love सलमान भाई। So yeah, clearly one of the actors that we have on the list
is
is
Salman Khan. So if you want, we can start with Salman.
या
एक बारी एक्सप्लेन कर बता दिया क्या हमने कि किस बारे में
मैंने
episode?
पूरा चिट्ठा लिखा मैंने
Sorry, sorry.
एंड यू जस्ट टॉक्ड अबाउट इतना तो डिस्कस नहीं किया था। हाँ, correct.
इसको याद ही नहीं।
नो इट्स फाइन, मेरे साथ भी होता है।
1:30 बज रहा भाई। कल
Okay,
ऑफिस जा
so let's start with Salman Khan. Basically, what we want to understand is कि what was the last movie you saw of Salman Khan? Basically,
Tiger 3
Tiger 3. I would also say Tiger 3.
टाइगर
Yeah.
और कोई कर ही नहीं है।
What do you think of
ऐसा
Tiger?
लाई नहीं है ना कोई।
इस साल आई
What do you
नहीं
think of Tiger 3?
No, the last I watched is Singham again, guys. How can you forget
Oh
that
yes,
amazing
cameo.
scene?
BV number 1 re-release हो रही है by the way.
Oh
One
yeah.
of
Oh,
your
yeah.
favorites, yes.
Oh great, dude.
Yes.
Wow. Yeah.
re-release हो रही है।
Damn cool.
Anyway, हाँ सलमान से आया मुझे इसलिए मैंने बोल दिया।
Yeah.
Please continue.
So yes, it was Singham again. Correct. Singham again. So let's not even
I
count.
think
because-
why are we even having Salman on the list? He was great in Singham again.
I agree. Yes, correct.
He-
It
he-
was banger.
You
that
should do
was.
that.
Banger.
Okay, scratching that. Let's replace him with
With
Ranbir
someone
Kapoor,
who's doing the
whose
worst
career,
films.
whose career
Ranbir.
is not going anywhere.
Yeah.
Not at all having the best lineup ahead.
Yes, correct. So
But yeah,
Salman,
Salman.
So Salman, his last two films that worked. एक था Tiger, sorry, Tiger
Tiger 3.
Tiger 3,
wasn't
किसी
great.
का भाई, किसी की जान.
and was fucking terrible.
Bro,
Singham again, he was the laziest thing possible, if at all, if anything, you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So the last few films haven't worked. What was your favorite era of Salman films?
Bro, genuinely, my favorite era of Salman films was when the Bhai aura was
Starting. Dabangg. So what did-
Wanted, Dabangg. भाई ये थी पिक्चरें भाई।
I'm not even kidding. Dabangg is one of my like, you know, like a very fun,
हाँ,
fun time watch.
One of the
Most fun
वो
Salman
मासी
films.
films
Yeah.
जो कहते हैं ना कि वो mindless fun.
Yeah.
Bro,
Just
I
going
actually
up on-
think this craze of mass cinema was started by Dabangg.
Wanted.
So Wanted, yes. But Dabangg
Wanted
was the
laid
one
a
who
seed,
yes,
but,
but, yeah, Dabangg
Dabangg actually-
perfected that mass formula. It was funny also.
Yeah.
Action also.
सब था
Salman
Dabangg.
looked fucking awesome.
Awesome, dude.
Fucking
Awesome.
awesome. That
अब
look
I
with that
think-
mustache is
yeah,
iconic
I
as
think
hell.
Salman looked his best Wanted से लेके Tiger वाले phase में।
Yeah, correct. And then BC में he gave some gems like Bajrangi and Sultan and all.
वो तो
Which is also
amazing
great.
थी।
Which is also
And
great.
actually I think Sultan was the last film जिसमें Salman was like, I'll actually be the role, be the character.
जहाँ
that
में
I'm
सलमान ने
playing.
कहा मैं एफर्ट डालेगा.
मैं एफर्ट डालेगा एंड उसने अच्छा एफर्ट डाला है भाई सुल्तान।
Yeah, so I always think, right? So the director almost has a little more to do that about getting a good performance out of an actor than the actor does,
fair I agree,
right? Because the actor at the end of the day is acting for the director on set.
yeah
True.
He's acting कि अगर director को अच्छा shot मिल गया तो ठीक है, मेरे को क्या टेंशन, हाँ? तो अगर if the director is fine with me going and done, the director is fine with that, मैं क्यों बोलूँगा कि हाँ ठीक है, क्यों
बट
करो?
हो सकता है कि सलमान के आगे फिर डायरेक्टर भी नहीं बोल पा रहा है।
Then don't work. Then that's the
Ah,
thing.
then
dude.
why-
Salman shouldn't work with these directors.
And,
He should work with Ali Abbas Zafar,
Yeah.
Kabir Khan.
I think Ali Abbas Zafar
David Hawan.
and Kabir Khan are like two अभी के time के directors who extract the best out of Salman.
Salman, yeah, that's what it seems like at least.
अली अब्बास जफर के साथ कौन सी फिल्म करी?
ये सुल्तान उसकी है.
सुल्तान अली अब्बास।
एक था टाइगर.
एक था टाइगर उसकी
एक था
है.
टाइगर।
So yes, you're right, dude. Ali Abbas Zafar and Kabir Khan, like Sultan, fucking amazing.
Baller of a film, baller of a film.
Great.
सलमान एक्चुअली वेंट थ्रू वेट ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, मतलब बॉडी ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, उसने प्रॉपर कैरेक्टर पिक किया, आर्क था उसके कैरेक्टर का। सलमान की फिल्म में सलमान के कैरेक्टर का आर्क भाई लास्ट कब था याद ही नहीं मेरे को भाई, कमाल की फिल्म थी सुल्तान यार, जेन्युइनली यार।
Correct, agreed. So you know, so then if I can pitch my scenario for a Salman
सलमान फिल्म या
okay, I think तुम लोग ने अ जेंटलमैन देखी है राजन डीके की?
Yeah.
नहीं मैंने नहीं देखी
I really like.
I
that
really
film.
like that film.
I
Very
feel
underrated.
So underrated.
Dude, extremely nobody saw it.
हाँ
It's a Rajan DK film.
क्या बात कर रहे हो
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's very fun, dude. You know it's gonna be funny.
Malhotra, Jackie.
या दिस आई नो वो डबल रोल है ना उसमें
No.
No, so that is what
You
the film-
watch it and you'll understand.
You watch it, you understand.
Yeah, like basically the thing is so few people have seen it that I don't want to spoil it because I want people to watch that.
हाँ ठीक है मैं
Okay.
फिर मैं जाके देख लूंगा
It's very fun.
Yeah.
It's like a Siddharth Malhotra actual good film with Siddharth Malhotra in it.
क्या बात कर रहे
Really, yeah. It's very fun, very enjoyable. Sunil Shetty is there, no?
I think
He's the guy. Yeah, correct. But yeah, very fun. ठीक है?
हो मतलब राजन डीके पे भरोसा तो हो ही गया अब सबको
Exactly. So what I would like to see Salman in, right, is a kind of a reversal of the spy film, where it's a mistaken identity spy, where Salman is not really the spy, but some forces or whatever end up thinking that he's the spy, so they end up
Badshah.
contacting him.
Badshah.
Badshah types, yeah, sure.
Yeah.
In that vein, where like it can be both. He can go the direction of, okay, oh, I do know how to fight somewhat, but
Yeah.
I'm not spy, dude. Okay, so it can go that direction. So Rajan DK would be good at that because they're good at like funny action.
Yeah.
Okay, and keeping it slick and all. The Rajan DK are great at that.
Yeah.
So a Rajan DK film with Salman in this kind of a role, I would fucking love.
एक बात बताओ आप लोग लाइक आर यू ऑफ द ओपिनियन कि अगर सलमान चाहे तो वो कमाल की एक्टिंग कर सकता है
100%, dude. Like, dude, it's been shown to us.
Yeah, that's because a lot of people are of this opinion कि सलमान का प्रोडक्ट अच्छा होता है बट उसकी परफॉर्मेंस कभी अच्छी नहीं होती बट I think otherwise. I think if Salman actually puts in effort वो बहुत अच्छा कर सकता है.
See,
Yeah.
A lot of directors actually have said that Salman can cry on cue.
really?
Yeah. In fact, one of the biggest directors of the country, Rajamouli, said on Coffee with Karan that out of the 3 Khans, I feel Salman is the best actor.
I mean, Rajamouli doesn't employ great actors. So they're all nominated for an Oscar or two, कभी कभार.
क्या फर्क पड़ता है?
तुक्का लग जाता है
राजामौली
सबसे.
की फिल्म ने
सब
ऑस्कर
तुक्का
जीत
लग
लिया
जाता
है.
है. ठीक है.
क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है?
क्या ही-
क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है? हम तो RRR को ओवररेटेड कह ही चुके हैं हमारे 2-3 एपिसोड पहले.
हाँ, correct. 2-3 नहीं, 5-6.
5-6 हाँ तो now we are veterans of
Yes,
this
correct,
channel.
correct.
Yes.
So basically, but yes, I 100% agree. If you guys remember though, there was an era of Salman movies. These are loosely called the Mafia Salman movies, which are funded by the mafia. So they're Chori Chori Chupke Chupke,
Oh.
Har Dil Jo Pyar Karega, that era of film.
Yeah.
Where I used to feel this, that Salman की acting काफी ज़्यादा ठीक-ठाक ही होती है.
हाँ.
Movies चाहे कैसी भी हो. चाहे अच्छी भी हो, चाहे टाइम पास भी हो, सलमान की एक्टिंग there will be like one level and he stays at that level, like that's it. But then he outshines himself in
Yeah.
movie like Dabangg and Bajrangi.
But Salim
Done.
Khan actually says Bajrangi, he feels Bajrangi is Salman's best work. Ever.
We've talked about this, no? I'm sure I mentioned this. There is a video that exists of Amir Khan.
Yeah, crying.
Crying just after watching
Yeah.
Bajrangi Bhaijaan, coming out of the theater. Okay, and there's a press conference there right outside. Okay, because it's like a media screening for media persons and all. So he comes out crying with a towel in his hand, crying, and he says this is the best movie Salman has done in his career. नवाज ने क्या कमाल काम किया है, वो बच्ची ने क्या कमाल काम किया है, और he says कि अभी right now अभी इसी वक्त मैं जाऊँगा, it's रात के 12 बज रहे हैं, पर मैं अभी जाऊँगा सलमान के घर जाऊँगा, और अगर वो नहीं उठाए तो मैं उसको उठा के इसके मूवी के बारे में बात करूँगा, because there's so much I want to talk about this movie, and great work by Kabir.
Salman, that film was an Oscar consideration from India.
Dude, so stupid.
So for a Salman Khan film to reach that place, you have to understand that film must have done something.
That's true. You're absolutely
True.
But,
100%.
an era I really liked of Salman was that early 2000s ka comedy era, which was that मुझसे शादी करोगे.
Yes, that's very
Bro,
good.
great.
And वो मैंने प्यार क्यों किया.
मैंने प्यार क्यों किया.
And
भाई उसके अंदर
जाने मन
उसके अंदर अरशद वारसी मैंने प्यार क्यों किया में एक लाइन है. अरशद वारसी सलमान खान क्लिनिक से बाहर आ रहे हैं, सुष्मिता इज लाइक आपके लिए एक मेल आया है, मेल आया तो बाहर भेज दो, फीमेल आया तो अंदर भेज दो.
Arshad, I know this. Yeah, Arshad. I was okay, not sure.
There's such effortlessness.
Effortless.
Salman Khan's
Yeah.
comedy at that time.
मुझे जेन्युइन लगता है सलमान खान की कॉमिक टाइमिंग बहुत अच्छी है dude.
बहुत.
Dude, very, very good.
बहुत अच्छी है उसकी कॉमिक
That
टाइमिंग.
camaraderie उसकी और अक्षय की मुझसे शादी करोगे.
Was
Like,
great.
Great.
I loved it.
100%. I absolutely agree.
Rajan, bro, actually Rajan DK is a very good suggestion. Yeah.
Very good suggestion. for a
What do you
director.
guys think then? What is your scenario of a good Salman movie?
यार मेरे लिए भी सलमान I was also going down the Dabangg route where he does action because I don't want Salman to let go of the bhai aura because I think I started loving Salman in the Wanted era. Like I always liked his movies जब वो light hearted comedy कर रहा था, but जो fandom create हुआ था Wanted के बाद, एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी उसके बाद मैं अपने आप की वीडियो सुनता है, एंड जो उसका लास्ट का स्टिल फ्रेम है जब वो ऐसे करके खड़ा है और यहाँ, तो वो ऑरा मुझे लगता है इंडस्ट्री में और किसी ने नहीं कैरी किया आज तक, एटलीस्ट उतने टाइम में जितने टाइम में हमने एक्टिवली फिल्म्स देखी हैं. तो मेरे लिए वो ऑरा बहुत बड़ा है, एंड सैडली वो ऑरा अब एक्टर से बड़ा हो गया है.
Correct.
ये एक थोड़ा अनफॉर्चुनेट चीज हो गई है दैट Salman as bhai is bigger than Salman as an actor right now, which was fine when it was building, but not now that it has overpowered.
I mean, so you're like, he is even off screen. He is that bhai persona.
Yeah, I think मतलब when he switches from off screen to on screen, वो वही
That
Salman
bhai
ही है.
aura is not.
Bhai is bhai.
So that's why maybe it feels like such little effort when he is doing
Yeah,
the bhai character on
yeah.
screen.
Exactly.
That makes sense. Yeah.
तो मुझे ये लगता है जिस वजह से I would want him to get into some comedy slick action, जैसा आप कह रहे हो. Rajan DK is a very good choice to make that film.
I know.
I would actually want him to go down the Dabangg route and not the Dabangg 3 thing that he did.
Sure.
Not that. But actually मैंने जो सलमान के लिए लिखा हुआ था वो लिखा हुआ था the Pathan treatment of his personality, the Jawan treatment of his personality, the jailer treatment of his personality, where
Young old. Yeah.
the old, like I don't want him to like I would really like Salman to not fucking retouch his face, not fucking live VFX से अपने आप को ये करना,
Dude,
like accept the body that you're in, or like transform in the way that you want to.
That retouching face is already getting tiring. Dude.
Yeah, it's very tiring, and the thing is कि हम लोग अच्छा कर भी नहीं पा रहे. दिख रहा है.
Yeah.
अरिशद वारसी ने एक इंटरव्यू में कहा, आई थिंक संदीश के साथ कहा था कि अगर आपको दिख गया कि विजुअल इफेक्ट्स बहुत अच्छा है तो फिर वो अच्छा नहीं है, क्योंकि दिखना नहीं चाहिए. दैट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ विजुअल इफेक्ट्स, राइट? तो आई थिंक रीटचिंग वगैरह किसी के लिए भी वर्क नहीं कर रहा है इन द इंडस्ट्री, फिर वो कोई भी एक्टर हो. तो आई वुड वांट सलमान के लिए अगर हम एक रोल देखें तो ही टेक्स एन एज अप्रोप्रिएट रोल, ही डज लिटिल ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जितना उसको करना है टू बी लाइक प्रेजेंटेबल ऑन द स्क्रीन, जितना उसको लगता है. And then he portrays someone of his age, like 45, 50, 55, 60, इसके अराउंड का एक वो इंसान प्ले करे, एंड वहां पे वो स्लिक कॉमेडी एक्शन करे, मजा आ जाए भाई.
Yeah.
सूरज बरजातिया रीमेक हम आपके हैं कौन? सलमान खान प्लेइंग आलोकनाथ लोड. Let's do it.
But age appropriate role का ना, I think वो तो है ही.
जैसे अब शाहरुख कर रहा है.
शाहरुख कर, like I was gonna say I want to see him do a situational comedy, not a slapstick one, but a
Slapstick
situational
comedy
comedy
तो-
with a because it just hit me. अजय देवगन जब कॉमेडी करता है it's not working as well, but दे दे प्यार दे worked because
He was playing
playing his age. The situational comedies suited the situation
दे दे प्यार दे
that he
आपने?
was
नहीं
in.
नहीं नहीं.
तो दे दे प्यार दे का प्लॉट ही ये है कि अजय देवगन जो है वो एक बहुत एजेड आदमी है,
Middle aged man
है, who has fallen in love with someone who's way younger
Young.
than him.
Okay, got it.
It's a Love
the
Ranjan
role
film.
suited and that's
Yeah.
why वो out of place comedy नहीं लगती है.
So another actor we're going to be talking about. Okay, what's spoiler? हमारा एपिसोड है. पर another actor we're going to be talking about is Akshay Kumar.
Yeah.
You know, literally yesterday I saw a film called Sarfira. देखिए
Yeah. मैं तो बोलता रहता हूँ अच्छी फिल्म है, कोई मेरी बात नहीं मानता.
मस्त पिक्चर है.
मैं भाई पिछले एपिसोड में मैंने कितना बोला है कि सरफिरा, आपके घर पे जब हम रिकॉर्ड कर रहे थे मैंने कितनी बारी बोला है सरफिरा इज अ गुड फिल्म, गो एंड वॉच इट. जो ओरिजिनल जिसने बनाई है उसी डायरेक्टर ने बनाई है हिंदी वर्जन, एंड एंड में जो 35 लाख का डोनेशन देता है ना सूर्य, हु इज ऑल्सो द ओरिजिनल सिंघम बाय द वे, ही इज द लीड इन सरफिरा का ओरिजिनल वर्जन जो अक्षय कुमार प्ले कर रहा है. ठीक है, तो It's the same story. It's a beautiful story. Akshay Kumar has done a fabulous job in the film.
Bro, there are multiple points where he cries.
Yeah,
and you
dude,
feel
and
it,
you
bro.
feel that,
You feel it.
bro.
Very good.
मेरे एक तो साला टार्जन क्या पसंद आ गया, लोग मेरे को सीरियसली नहीं लेते हैं चैनल पे.
Correct. See, the thing is, no, till I said this thing about Sarfira, everyone else thought Sarfira is not a good film.
Now we see
That's
how's the
the-
change.
that's the point. Now you'll see Sarfira ke viewership suddenly spikes, goes into the millions.
But yeah,
but
that's
yeah,
what. That's
I would agree.
exactly what I
I would
wanted to say.
Okay, so sorry, you were finishing your Salman thing.
नहीं, मेरा वही था कि situational comedy
Social comedy.
and a little bit of action mixed with it,
हाँ.
and little bit, not like full on.
I get it, dude.
I think
100%.
you gave that example, it's set in my
Yeah.
head, and I feel it will fit a lot for Salman and age appropriate.
थोड़ा वैसा एक्शन, थोड़ा वो एक्शन नहीं कि पंच मारा तो वो 3 किलोमीटर दूर जाके
Like
मारा.
not, yeah, it doesn't have to be.
वो वाला एक्शन नहीं, प्रॉपर गुड अच्छा एक्शन. चाहे तुम उसको ऐसा एक्शन दिखा दो जैसा आपने बोला कि भाई ठीक है वो एक्शन स्टार नहीं है, बट वो जब उसको मार रहा है तो उसको भी लग रही है,
हाँ,
ठीक है,
correct.
बट देन अगेन ही स्टिल मैनेजेस टू गेट आउट ऑफ द सिचुएशन.
Yeah, correct.
वैसा कुछ अगर सलमान कर जाता है ना, मजा आ जाएगा भाई.
Agree.
बहुत
exactly,
सही हो जाएगा.
Exactly that vibe. That'd be awesome. Yeah, agree.
सलमान, आप
Talk to us.
अशीर ग्रोवर का पॉडकास्ट तो देख लिया अब आपने, ठीक है.
अब ये वाला.
अब ये वाला भी
अब
देख
कुछ अपने करियर को बेटर करने के लिए देखना.
लो. बस ये नहीं बोलना था.
Okay. So then should we just go Akshay next?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Or do you want to like go to a woman first?
Oh, that's a good one. Let's go to a woman first then.
Yes.
We go man, woman.
Man, woman.
Actually, it should be woman, man, because otherwise we are sexist.
So let's do man, woman, man.
फिर वो 2 वुमेन साथ हो जाएंगी ना ब्रो.
Oh.
तो
पर 2 men भी तो साथ में होंगे बाद में.
2 मैन साथ में कैसे होंगे? मैन
तो
वुमन, मैन
man,
वुमन, मैन वुमन.
man, woman, man, woman.
Yeah.
Oh, that way. Man, woman, man, woman. अच्छा sorry, ठीक है.
Oh, this is Raftaar and Badshah right here. How did that happen, dude?
It's your boy Aneja.
It's your boy Aneja, guys. Horrible, dude. Okay, so Akshay Kumar. Nahin, sorry.
Katrina.
Woman.
Female Akshay Kumar.
So Katrina then.
Katrina.
Yeah.
I would want
Start.
to watch Katrina in a full-blown action film.
Oh yeah. Okay.
I have said it time and again. I think Katrina is one of the best action stars in the country.
Period.
Period. There is no conversation around it. जितना कमाल का एक्शन
Yeah.
कटरीना ने टाइगर में किया, आई थिंक उतना सलमान ने नहीं किया. मुझे तो कटरीना बहुत अच्छी लगती है एक्शन में, एंड आई थिंक कटरीना ऑल्सो हैज अ ग्रेट वन लाइनर सॉर्ट ऑफ कॉमेडी.
Yeah.
ठीक है, तो मुझे लगता है कि ऐसा कुछ अगर कटरीना को सोलो फिल्म दी जाए जिसमें वो एक प्रॉपर फुल ब्लोन एक्शन रोल कर पाए, ब्रो मजा आ जाएगा. It could well be a storyline like Katrina का भी एज अप्रोप्रिएट ही आई वुड लाइक गो कि कटरीना और उसकी डॉटर या उसका सन है and they are into a situation and Katrina has to navigate through the situation and reach to a safe point, and Katrina basically does action through the film and reaches a safe point, as basic as it gets, but make it a full blown action
Do it.
film.
Yeah. Don't do Jigra with it.
हाँ, don't do जिगरा with it. मुझे तो जिगरा से भी कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं थी, but जिगरा was not a full blown action film, at least for me. ठीक है, तो but I would want like proper action, जैसे hand to hand combat वाला action.
You know, I have this visual suddenly in my head of, you know how like Kill was based in a train.
Yeah.
Like Katrina could be based. This movie could be based on a ship.
Bro, awesome.
Okay.
Cruise.
And
Katrina.
all out
KK.
ship. Exactly, dude.
करण जौहर बनवा देगा.
Cruise is with C, by the way.
अरे मतलब मेरे को का बोलना था, के बोलना. But
Okay,
bro,
so,
that's a
yeah.
good space.
works
That's
for
a
me.
good setup कि आप क्रूज पे हो.
Confined to a cruise.
बहुत
yeah,
सही
correct.
है.
Yeah.
इंटरनेशनल वाटर्स पे हो, कोई किसी को पुलिस को भी नहीं कुछ कह सकते आप. और फिर वहीं पे आपको आलिया भट्ट मिलती है वेदांग रैना के साथ, क्योंकि वो भी तो
that's the end.
इंटरनेशनल
That's the- Wow, dude.
यहाँ से जिगरा यूनिवर्स स्टार्ट होगा.
Oh, and then it's becoming Zile Sara और प्रेम में बदलेंगे.
फिर सिटाडेल आ
Did you realize वहाँ से वो आ रही है लाइफ बोट जिसमें रणवीर, दीपिका शेफाली और अनिल कपूर.
और फिर वो अनुष्का को ढूंढने जा रहे हैं
Yes,
ब्रो.
correct.
Damn.
और वो NH हाईवे पे है.
Did we make the perfect universe?
You are, bro.
Bro,
Crazy.
Spy Universe
Crazy,
better than
crazy.
Spy Universe. But I think Katrina in this sort of a plot would be great. I think एक था टाइगर जिंदा है. टाइगर जिंदा है में एक सीक्वेंस है जहाँ पे कटरीना का प्रॉपर एक्शन सीक्वेंस है. छत से कूदना, ये करना, वो करना. शायद टाइगर जिंदा है का ही सीक्वेंस है वो. ब्रो कमाल का सीक्वेंस है. कमाल का
Correct,
सीक्वेंस.
yeah, I don't
Bro,
know.
Katrina would be great.
टाइगर 3 में वो जो बंकर वाला
हाँ,
एक्शन सीन
क्या सुंदर. कमाल, कमाल. I have nothing but good things to say about Katrina when it comes to action.
So अभी कुछ साल पहले there were rumors and it was supposed to be made, वो बनी नहीं, which was
जीले
a
जरा.
superhero
अच्छा,
film based like on the likes of Wonder Woman that was being made with Katrina by Ali Abbas Zafar, and that was something I was really looking forward
Bro,
to.
no one better.
Because he's a director who could have pulled it off, and she's a woman who could have
She is
pulled
the
off
actress to do this.
She's the actress. That is something like a super female superhero
Yeah.
that I think Katrina can do really well.
I see that, man. That makes sense again. What I had in mind was like, so I feel like Katrina fits best in roles that are multinational in a way, like
International.
international in a way. Basically, she's lived abroad for some time at least.
Yeah.
Maybe Namaste London, ZNMD.
What the fuck is your problem with Leila, guys? ZNMD
Oh,
wale
like, there is so much hate.
I swear, dude.
Everyone
What the
will-
fuck?
Dude, understand? Everyone hating on Laila is a woman.
Yeah,
All the women hate Laila, dude.
Yeah, because you can't be her.
Yes. Okay.
Even we can't be Ritik, so
but
it's
that's
fine.
like, again, so that's my best Katrina characters are Namaste London's.
Yeah, fair.
ZNMD is the
ZNMD.
Happy New Years of the world, where it's some kind of English or Anglo-speaking
Happy
kind
New
of.
Year क्यों बोला?
मैं वही सोच रहा था.
Sorry, Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Merry Christmas. So that, those kind of characters are the best. So I feel, and Katrina in an all-out comedy movie, okay, where she is the lead. So I feel Katrina is very funny. Okay.
Same. I agree. वो जितने प्यारे वन लाइनर मारती है ना भाई, वो अपने इंटरव्यूज में
Correct.
Action aside, ठीक है, अच्छा है, everything. For me, her best performance till date will be
मेरे ब्रदर की दुल्हन.
मेरे brother की दुल्हन. Yeah, sure, fair enough.
Comedy and Katrina are so just
Ka-
gave
ka.
up their, and that was again Ali Abbas.
Again, yeah.
Ka-
K,
ka,
K,
bro,
K, K.
ka- ka.
Yeah, Katrina and comedy. Yeah.
And that was Ali Abbas Zafar again.
Oh.
So I
Huh.
think he just knows how to pull it out.
You're right, dude. That could be it. So that's what. So then, Katrina in an all-out comedy, where she is the lead of the comedy movie, and it doesn't have to be a strictly Hindi movie. It can be like in the English genre, because I feel that's where Katrina is most comfortable. I think she's shown some of her comedy chops in movies like Tismar Khan, Phone Booth,
हाँ.
Namaste London again. So I think
थोड़ा
she's-
over the top, but yeah.
This no, what I'm
Yeah,
saying.
yeah.
I agree.
Also, just putting it out, would love to see a love story where we see Katrina and Vicky fallen in love on screen, because that's a pair we have not seen.
मुझे करना ही नहीं भाई, रियल और
नहीं,
रील में मेरे को जाना ही नहीं.
Oh.
यार ऑन स्क्रीन
Katrina and
खराब हो
Vicky,
गया ना ब्रो.
I don't want to see any other real life couple on screen together. Just Katrina and Vicky, because they don't make appearances also together itna zyada. You don't get to see it. Theirs, I think, is a love story you would like to watch.
मैं तो
This
कहता
is
हूँ
such a Bollywood journalist
Yeah, dude.
type. यही
मैं-
करना, ये जो इंटरव्यूज भी नहीं करते साथ में ये लोग.
मैं तो कहता हूँ ब्रो, विक्की कौशल इज लिविंग एवरी पंजाबी बॉयज ड्रीम
100%.
एट दिस पॉइंट.
Yeah, 100%.
बस विक्की ब्रो, ऑल द लव.
Yeah.
विक्की तू है तौबा 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 तौबा.
You get it. Okay, so that was Katrina.
Yes.
Okay, I think we came up with some pretty good options.
Pretty good options.
Yeah.
Katrina, if you're listening to us, or Vicky, if you're listening to us, please invite us
Please come
for
on
a
the show.
meal.
Akshay Kumar is next.
Akshay Kumar.
I think that is going to be a very unanimous
Yeah,
choice.
it's going to be a very unanimous choice.
unanimous
Do
choice.
less films.
No, okay. Let's say it on 3. ठीक है. 1, 2, 3
Comedy.
Comedy.
And in particular
Priyadarshan comedy.
Yes, of course.
I was
Yes.
about to say.
So Priyadarshan ने साइन तो कर लिया
है, correct.
for Bhoot Bangla.
Yeah, Bhoot Bangla.
Bhoot Bangla, right?
Yeah,
Bhoot
something
Bangla
like
is the
that.
film.
Correct.
And very, like अभी the news that's doing the rounds is that भागम भाग के rights खरीद लिए गए हैं
Correct.
by Akshay Kumar और he is probably
Intent on doing with the original cast.
with the original cast,
Thank
which is
God for
Govinda.
that.
I swear, bro, Govinda back to
तरस
comedy.
गए,
I
आंखें अखियां
swear,
तरस गई हैं।
आंखें तरस गई हैं गोविंदा को स्क्रीन पे देखने के लिए in a full blown comedy film. And Akshay Kumar, Paresh Rawal, Govinda doing a comedy film is like every comedy movie lover's wet dream at this point.
Yeah, bro.
क्योंकि अच्छी comedy films नहीं बन रही हैं. भाई, the other day I was randomly scrolling through Instagram and I stumbled upon this reel where they have this scene from Deewane Hue Pagal, where Akshay Kumar, Sunil Shetty, Paresh Rawal are all running and Shahid Kapoor are all running to save Natasha, ठीक है? And they उन कार है, वो कार की तरफ भाग रहे हैं and everybody is trying to open the door and Akshay Kumar को हटो खोलो ना मेरे को चुपचाप. And then पीछे से Sunil Shetty says, ए मैं ना आगे बैठूंगा, मुझे जल्दी पहुंचना है.
So stupid.
This is so stupid, but this is so
Lovely.
funny, dude.
Yeah.
In this entire chaotic sequence where no चाबी अक्षय कुमार के पास है, still everybody is trying to open the door. एक तो ये अपने में funny है, फिर पीछे से सुनील शेट्टी क्रचेस पे आ रहा है ऐसे करके, and then he's like कि ए मैं आगे बैठूंगा, वो क्या है ना मुझे जल्दी पहुंचना है.
So great.
कितना
दीवानों
funny
में
है.
पागल I love so much.
I love
There is
this
you know
film,
Vijay
dude.
Raj
अच्छा.
has such a funny role where he's
तू समझा?
Akshay Kumar's
नहीं,
lackey
तू नहीं
basically. Akshay
समझा.
Kumar's lackey.
Yeah.
But he keeps doing stuff wrong in like his own funny way. It's always
Dude, so इस तरीके का like the other day I was talking to a friend of mine, शशांक, जो पिछले एपिसोड पे था, and we were talking कि भाई पहले के टाइम पे कितना effortless कॉमेडी हो रहा था भाई, और आज के टाइम पे हमें कॉमेडी लिखना पड़ रहा है.
Exactly.
वो जब कॉमेडी
Dude, I literally, you're so right. I was just watching an Arshad Warsi interview. Okay, talking about films like Munna Bhai MBBS.
Yeah,
Where that
yeah.
whole how long, हाँ 6 फुट का ले गया. That whole thing, so that scene, plus the गोलमाल वाला, हाँ क्या तुझे लगता है हमें यहाँ पे black
खेल रहा है.
Dude, these scenes were not written.
What?
Yeah, both of these scenes not written. Isn't that insane?
So that's ऐसी तो
Arshad Warsi, yeah.
कॉमेडी जीनियस
Comedy
भाई.
is improvisation. हाँ.
कॉमेडी जीनियस भाई. तो वही ना, हमें अगर द थिंग इज अगर हमें लिखना पड़ रहा है ना कॉमेडी, ठीक है, एक होता है वो जरूरी हो जाता है कुछ लोग के लिए, बट उतना एफर्टलेस नहीं आता. अब भागम भाग उस दिन मैं देख रहा था एंड दे आर वॉकिंग एंड लाइक यहाँ से एक लड़की नहा के निकल के अपने बाल पहुंच रही है एंड अक्षय कुमार रैंडम कॉन्वर्सेशन कर रहा है एंड लाइक हाँ ऐसे होगा और रूपा नहा ली, हाँ, ऐसे होगा. अरे यार, दिस इज सच अ
रूपा
रूपा नहा ली.
So the बहन डर गई also, so funny.
I swear,
Yeah,
dude,
yeah.
क्या ही फनी है ब्रो. वो भागम भाग में वो गोविंदा भाग रहा है, उसको खंबा दिखता है, उससे टकराया था, तेरे को खंबा दिखा, हाँ दिखा, मेरे को नहीं दिखा.
शक्ति कपूर रोड.
शक्ति को
Cookie is so drunk. हम पास गए.
हम जर्मनी
How did it started?
I think the last good comedy film that I remember Akshay did was De Dhanadhan.
Bro, De Dhanadhan
You know,
is also,
I'm not that big a fan of De Dhanadhan, dude.
but that I think
That's still in
that's
one of his good comedy.
like half decent Priyadarshan film.
Yeah, all those chaotic comedies.
Yeah.
You know, I actually didn't mind. Abhi recently he did Khel Khel mein.
Even I didn't mind
quite-
that.
quite-
Even I didn't mind
quite
that.
fun, yeah.
अब्बास को नहीं पसंद आई, इसलिए हमने निकाल दिया अब्बास को शो से.
Again, नहीं निकाला guys, don't worry. Don't worry guys, serious back.
पर भाई वो आउट एंड आउट कॉमेडी नहीं थी.
Correct.
हाँ.
पर लिटरली वो जो कॉमिक सीन्स थे अक्षय के, they just-
Like
but
you
even
could
for
see those
Singham again for
clippings,
that,
no?
Correct, yeah.
Even for Singham again for them, वो जो रणवीर के साथ वाला सीन है, like है बेकार obviously, but like वो जो ग्लिम्स दिखता है
अक्षय
की
कुमार
comedy,
का. Comedy कुमार.
मन तो करता
That
मुझे यही
glimpse.
ठोक दूं. हाँ.
that glimpse like Akshay and comedy.
अक्षय एंड कॉमेडी
पर
पीरियड.
अभी तो वैसे, you know, in all honesty, I definitely want to see Akshay in comedies, but he's doing that Welcome to the Jungle thing.
Yeah.
That I am so sure is going to be so shit, dude.
Yeah.
Any movie which has 40 actors in prominent roles is not going to be good.
Like how are you making Welcome without Uday and Shetty? Uday Shetty. And,
Uday and Shetty, yes.
Uday Shetty and Majnu
Majnu
Shetty.
Bhai.
Majnu Bhai. Dude, that's not Welcome.
That's not
Like that's
Yeah,
probably
you are just
just to the
using
jungle
the
at this point.
like see उल्टा तुमने अक्षय को हटा दिया सेकंड में,
हाँ और
Okay, but-
मजनू उधर
yeah,
रखे
because they are more iconic to that franchise than actual
Yeah.
characters. How are you removing them? And then so now this is an altogether completely new movie.
या
What is the
सारे
welcome-
एक्टर्स नहीं है
Yeah, so why
सिर्फ
even
अक्षय को छोड़
Welcome?
के।
Is this, so is this okay then? Is this a continuation of the Welcome franchise or is this just a new movie called Welcome to the Jungle?
इट्स अ न्यू मूवी कॉल्ड वेलकम टू द जंगल
Welcome से कुछ related नहीं है.
है वेलकम 3 बट वेलकम से रिलेटेड नहीं है
So आज के टाइम पे कौन से सीक्वल्स रिलेटेड होते हैं?
I mean,
It's
see,
all spiritual sequels. None of them.
correct, but
is-
ये तो वो भी नहीं लग रही ना यार. Like this,
It's just
but-
using the IP name.
they're using the IP
it's
that's
so
that's it
stupid. What a waste.
तो वही चीज है ना अब जैसे भूल भुलैया है भूल भुलैया 2 भूल भुलैया
How was it
3
connected?
कोई कनेक्शन नहीं था तो वैसे ही एक दो कॉल बैक सीन्स डाल देंगे ये होगा वो होगा बस वेलकम टू द जंगल बना दी अभी सो क्योंकि देयर इज सो मच नॉइज अबाउट अक्षय प्लीज कम बैक टू कॉमेडी प्लीज कम बैक टू कॉमेडी कि लोगों ने ओ अक्षय अनाउंस्ड अ फिल्म विद अजय देवगन इज डायरेक्टिंग अक्षय कुमार
Oh, okay.
या दे रिसेंटली अनाउंस्ड इट आई थिंक
Oh,
दिल्ली
that's
में कोई
interesting,
इवेंट था उस पे
Oh, that would be nice.
हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स का ही था उस पे देव अनाउंस्ड दैट अजय देवगन इज गोना डायरेक्ट अक्षय कुमार नेक्स्ट
Okay, interesting, dude. That's that.
Yeah. So there's a lot of buzz around Akshay. Please come back to comedy, and he's doing like a series of comedy films now. Jolly LB 2 versus Jolly LB 3. Jolly LB 3 आने वाली है जिसमें where's Akshay versus Arshad. ठीक है, and then
That's gonna be great, I think.
That's gonna be great. I love Arshad Varsi.
Yeah.
फिर उसके बाद हेरा फेरी 3 की ये लोग प्लानिंग कर रहे हैं. भागम भाग 2 के राइट्स खरीद लिए गए हैं. वेलकम टू द जंगल आई थिंक देव शॉट 70-80% देव शॉट.
Yeah.
भूत बंगला.
भूत बंगला आ रही है. So like there are a bunch of films for Akshay Kumar जो अभी कॉमेडी जॉनरा में आने वाली हैं. But let's see. I really hope that वो अच्छी भी
It just don't be a slapstick comedy.
स्लैपस्टिक कॉमेडी ना हो.
Now, fair enough.
Yeah.
He just needs that touch.
वो जो early 2000.
वो प्रियदर्शन अक्षय कुमार गोविंदा परेश रावल सुनील शेट्टी ये 4-5 लोग साथ में आ जाए ना काम करने आई थिंक फिल्म राजपाल यादव फिल्म बढ़िया बन जाएगी.
Correct. Agreed.
Yeah, so
All right.
that's
That was Akshay then. Let's go to
Deepika
Deepika Padukone. What do you think Ms. Padukone should do?
I want to see Deepika not going into that whole period era because that is done
dude,
now.
but all women have that.
Okay.
I mean, how can you say that, Akash? Yuck.
Okay.
What do you mean don't go to the period era? That's once a month, bro. Get a life. Get the facts straight.
Now we know किसकी शादी हो रही है.
and out of the 3 of us he is the one getting married.
Yeah, because
और इसी की लव मैरिज भी है
guys,
साले की.
again, I'm the one most comfortable about talking about periods. That's why, duh. Guys, come on, तुम लोग ऐसे cringe करते हो ना? Periods are an everyday occurrence.
everyday occurrence once in a month of everyday occurrence से पहुंच गए हो.
Guys,
इसकी तो खुद की नॉलेज डगमगा गई.
guys, periods are make believe. Period ready होता कुछ.
Okay.
Okay, fair enough. We get it. Moving on.
ठीक है. Deepika Padukone, what do you want to?
So you were saying.
Yeah, I was saying कि I was very excited when the Intern का remake was announced with Deepika because I really felt
the Robert De Niro movie.
Yep.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So I really felt they had the perfect casting to begin with.
Kौन?
Deepika-
Amitabh and Deepika.
No, Deepika in Anne Hathaway's role and Rishi Kapoor in
Okay.
Robert De Niro's role. It felt so perfect that casting because वो जमता. Now it has Amitabh Bachchan. वो बनेगी नहीं बनेगी भगवान जाने.
But dude, that'll be like again like a Piku reunion. I would love that.
Yeah, but see, Robert De Niro was like this little गब्दू प्यारे से aged uncle. Amitabh Bachchan वो लंबा.
यार अमिताभ can very well pull this.
Yeah.
He can, but like Rishi Kapoor would have fit the mold. But
Okay, sure.
leaving that aside, like Deepika, I think the contemporary modern women, she plays well.
Agreed.
Yeah, even I would want to see Deepika in a slice of life sort of a
Dude,
film.
exactly what I've written down. I've literally written slice of life.
Yeah.
Okay, so basically 2 of my favorite films of Deepika's are Piku and Finding Fanny.
I've not seen Finding.
Oh, Finding Fanny is very
I
good. Yeah.
love that movie so much. It's
Okay.
literally a slice of life comedy casual movie, okay, which has like some very funny moments in it. Okay, very 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 nicely done. And Deepika hasn't done that many of those roles because
Yeah.
Finding Fanny didn't work
Yeah.
at the box office. Okay, so basically I
Piku
wanna
also I think found its cult later on, no?
I think it did okay.
Decentish.
Yeah, decentish. It wasn't like a mega hit or something.
Yeah.
But it did well for her. And she got so much recognition critical acclaim because that I think people started appreciating her acting.
Dude,
from Cocktail and then Piku,
yeah,
people were sold.
I
Okay, she's
fell
good.
in love with her in
Yeah.
Piku, yes.
So I think something along those lines,
Yeah,
like a slice of life.
for sure, slice of life.
You know, like again, so basically not the
Not
over
the
top,
intense,
the
over
understated
yeah,
actor,
मेरे
the
को नहीं
understated
करना,
characters,
हाँ.
where it's more natural, understated acting, where like you know conversational. She's
Yeah,
very good at that.
fair.
She,
I
she
agree.
clearly cannot do the
It's
Comedy,
not
Shakti
Simba.
Shetty, yeah.
Oh, actually, someone actually, I think मैं कोई रील में ही मुझे देखा, someone actually asked रोहित शेट्टी कि जिस तरीके से आपने दीपिका के कैरेक्टर को ट्रीटमेंट दिया है, shouldn't it be Lady Simba and not Lady Singham? And then he said कि नहीं वो like Singham was the OG तो स्टेम वहीं से करना है अगर पहला फीमेल लीड बना रहे हैं. But the question was actually like a very apt question कि जिस तरीके से आपने कैरेक्टर ट्रीटमेंट दिया है तो वो सिम्बा का फीमेल वर्जन एक तरीके से. तो someone actually asked that.
Okay, fair enough. Nice. All right, cool.
But yeah, slice of life.
Slice of life.
Slice of
Slice of
life.
life.
For sure, slice of life.
Done. Okay, next then we have
दीपिका की पति
Patidev.
Ranveer Singh.
Yes.
Ranveer Singh.
Man, again, I feel this guy is such a versatile actor. He
Bro,
can
I
actually
love his acting. Yes.
do anything. He can make you cry.
But
he can make you laugh.
मेरे पास उसके
he
लिए
can
बहुत
fucking
बढ़िया प्लॉट है
make
जो
you
उसने
scared.
नहीं किया आज तक.
Okay, बोल.
I would love for him to play a detective thriller of sorts.
Yeah, great.
And I would see कुछ सालों पहले एक फिल्म आई थी डिटेक्टिव ब्योमकेश बख्शी जिसके अंदर सुशांत सिंह राजपूत था. आई थिंक डिटेक्टिव ब्योमकेश बख्शी का कैरेक्टर अगर रणवीर सिंह पोर्ट्रे करे
ये भी ले ले तू
Reprise.
SSR से. सब कुछ ले ले SSR से. इसलिए तो बेचारा रोल नहीं मिल रहा है.
will he make a good Indian James Bond?
That's a good question. Will you think Ranveer will make a good Indian James Bond? Dawn types.
Ritik will make a good Indian James Bond.
Yeah.
Oh, Hrithik would, yeah. Fair. But the
But-
question is, will Ranveer Singh?
But until till Ritik is around, I will not see anybody else in the Indian James Bond role.
Dude, I actually think Ranveer should, as soon as possible, make sure that Dawn gets
Dawn
made.
3 happens.
Dawn 3 happens.
Yeah, you're right.
Because I do think
He will pull it off.
bro, tera वापस mic.
Fuck, sorry.
I do think he will fucking pull it off.
Yeah.
He will do something hatke. And Farhan is a talented enough director that he will get the right performance, the right
Yeah.
pitch of the character. from
आपने
him.
वो देखी है लुटेरा रणवीर और
मैंने बहुत सुना है,
सोनाक्षी
मैंने
की.
देखी नहीं है. हाँ.
Very
सवाल
good film.
great song, yeah.
तो मैं थोड़ा सोच रहा हूँ कि रणवीर को अगर मैं ऐसा बंगाली टच में ब्योमकेश बख्शी लाइक पतली मूछें ऐसे बाल थोड़ा ओल्ड स्टीरियोटिपिकल बंगाली गेटअप एंड उसके अंदर वो केसेस सॉल्व कर रहा है भाई. आई थिंक रणवीर सिंह विल पुल इट ऑफ विद दैट इंटेंस लुक विद दैट हल्का कॉमेडी. ब्रो मजा आ जाएगा आई थिंक. एंड रणवीर ने कोई डिटेक्टिव रोल किया भी नहीं है
Yeah, fair, I get it. Yeah, fair.
तो इट विल बी लाइक अ न्यू वेंचर ऑल्सो फॉर हिम एज एन एक्टर.
A little different from your opinions, but like I still remember कि since he's so loud in real life, people really liked him being that silent, demure, Rose जो उसने की बाजीराव दिल धड़कने दो.
गली
But
बड़ा.
I want to see him being that loud on screen because if you see Band Baja Barat, Rocky Rani, both of them, Simba, all of them worked because he was loud on screen. And Singham again में देख के again like it was a very refreshing change to see कि he can do comedy, he can do OTT. He is one person who when he does OTT in today's time,
उसे already
वो
है.
does
cringe नहीं
not
लगता.
seem
OTT
हाँ,
मतलब over the top.
over the top.
Oh, अच्छा.
When he does over the top, it does not seem cringe. It seems funny, and I want to see him do something more of that over the top kind of comedy, or maybe a hyper person, but something very over the top, but much like how he is in real life. I don't know if he has changed now.
So you know, like every once in a while, so combining kind of both of your ideas together, right? Every once in a while, there are movies where the imagination world plays a big role. You know, like everything is going on in the straight and the narrow, in like everything is going as normal in everyday life. So like that can be the detective angle where he's detectivating or whatever you call it. Detectiving?
Detecting.
Detecting.
Detecting. अबे हाँ.
Detecting.
क्या ही ब्रेन फार्ट मोमेंट है ये.
Yes.
Detectivating.
He's doing
It's 2 AM, guys.
2 बज रहे हैं 2 बज
yes,
रहे हैं.
he's doing his detective work.
पता है जब छोटे थे ना तो कभी कभी मैं वो कमेंटेटर होता है ना जो क्रिकेट का कमेंटेटर होता है तो मैं ऐसे ही कंफ्यूज होता है कि कमेंटेटर क्या करता है. कमेंटेटरिंग करता है क्या. तो हम लोग भाई वो कमेंटेटरिंग सुनी.
Commentating. Okay. So, what was I saying, dude.
कि इमेजिनेटिव सीक्वेंस जहाँ
हाँ,
पे वो
ठीक है।
डिटेक्टिवेटिंग कर रहा है.
So basically, imagine the actual world where he's doing the detecting work as a detective, but that is the straight and the narrow. Like that is the normal world where he's like his pitches as the Dil Dhadakne Do
हाँ.
kind
Subtle pitch.
subtle pitch, and then there is the imagination world where
जैसे शर्लॉक करता है.
exactly.
Oh,
Exactly.
जैसे
Okay, there is imagination world.
हाँ.
I'm a big fan. One of my favorite shows is Scrubs.
Okay.
Okay, Scrubs is basically this is the entire. It's based in a hospital. Okay, these doctors, series doctors. It's a comedy show.
Yeah.
It's a doctors and everyday life is as life is. But then JD, the main character, has like these daydreams that he goes on to, and everything is a daydream. It's a potential daydream. Okay, so like he'll just do this, and he's off into the distance talking, thinking of something else, and those dreams are outlandish as fuck. Okay, so that's what I would love to see something like that with Ranveer in it. That'd be damn cool.
रणवीर बढ़िया कर देगा.
Yeah, बहुत सही करेगा. So then it's perfect place for him to do both and show both.
प्रॉपर
the
इंडियन
fucking-
शर्लॉक हो सकता है अगर
Yeah.
वो ऐसे करे तो. जैसे तूने देखी मूवी देखी है रॉबर्ट डाउनी वाली शर्लॉक मूवी देखी है?
Directed by Guy Ritchie. one of my favorite
आपने देखी है
directors. Yeah, of
रॉबर्ट
course,
डाउनी?
multiple
तो
times.
उसके अंदर जब जैसे एक फाइटिंग सीक्वेंस है जहाँ पे रॉबर्ट डाउनी जूनियर इज फाइटिंग समवन हु इज लाइक फिजिकली मोर बिल्ट देन रॉबर्ट, मतलब शर्लॉक इन द फिल्म. तो वो क्या करता है, वो उसको देखता है और अपने माइंड में एक सीक्वेंस बनाता है कि ये ऐसे करेगा, ऐसे करेगा, ऐसे करेगा, ऐसे करेगा, ऐसे करेगा, और फिर मैं ऐसे करूंगा और इस मोड में मैं इसको ऐसे मारूंगा.
And they show it really well in the
एंड दे शो इट रियली वेल इन द फिल्म. तो एंड फिर उसके बाद जैसे ही वो पूरी इमेजिनेशन खत्म करता है वो
He
जो
implements
दूसरा
it.
wrestler है, वो एग्जैक्टली वही चीज करता है एंड देन ही इम्प्लीमेंट्स द सेम थिंग और फिर वैसे वो जीत जाता है बेसिकली. तो ऐसे ही अगर वो शो अपने केसेस सॉल्व करेगी, जब मैं इस रूम में घुसूं तो यहाँ देखूं, वो देखूं, ये करूं, वो देखूं, एंड देन वो सॉल्व हो जाए. रणवीर सिंह.
Yes, correct.
सो द लास्ट
So that was Ranveer done. The last one we
देख लो
have.
हमने कैसे फटाफट इंडस्ट्री के टॉप 5 एक्टर्स को हमने बता दिया कि
We
तुम्हें
just
क्या करना
sorted their
चाहिए.
careers out.
क्या
man.
ब्रो, लाइक
See,
अब
and then
सलमान बिरयानी खिलाने बुला रहा है क्या घर में?
and then this last actress needs our help the most.
The most needs our help, needs help the
Needs
most.
help. Needs our help. Help तो मिले ना मिले यार. Our help
मिले ना मिलो, मैं मिले.
is Harman Baweja. Is a great actress. Harman Baweja is.
Yes.
No, we're talking about Kangana Ranaut, the great.
Oh, what are we talking about? Priyanka Chopra.
No, we don't know Kangana.
No, he decided on Kangana. No.
Oh,
Let's do that again.
Priyanka don't need her
Sorry.
advice.
नहीं, please continue.
Oh, that's why you did to Milo no Milo.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I thought that's came out of nowhere. I don't
नहीं,
know.
चलो.
I tried to make the best
I
out
was
of it.
like, yeah.
नहीं, मुझे लगा प्रियंका की बात होने वाली है.
Okay,
चलो
no,
कोई
no.
नहीं.
Okay, well, we can do Priyanka also, but Kangana is the more, I think,
Needy
interesting
right
character.
now.
Yeah, Priyanka don't need our help.
Sure. She's
Her career is
her
going
need
good.
of the hour.
Yeah, need of the hour. Please don't do political films, bro. Like at this point, just
तुमसे नहीं
don't.
हो रहा है.
You
और
are doing enough politics.
The
in
thing
your
is
real
also,
life.
I feel like someone doing political films, needs to have a lot of goodwill.
Yeah.
Okay, Katrina has burnt all her bridges. It feels
Katrina नहीं,
Kangana.
Kangana.
You took
Kangana.
2 attempts.
like. Correct,
And
and
you
got
failed
both
in
wrong.
both.
Correct. So
Feels like IIT.
Katrina Ranaut is one of my favorite actresses. But Kangana Kaif sucks.
Katrina Ranaut Khan.
Katrina Ranaut Khan. Wow. KKK.
Yeah.
Oh, the KKK.
के
Shit, dude.
कुछ
That's,
कुछ खोता है. Sorry.
oh, I was saying the Ku Klux Klan, dude.
But क्या कहते हैं?
As
Kangana
you were
Ranaut.
saying, Kangana Ranaut. Don't
Yeah.
do political films.
And don't do politics.
Yeah, that's what it is.
So
Sure.
the thing is,
Do political films, just don't do politics.
अगर तुम पॉलिटिकल फिल्म्स कर रही हो और तुम पॉलिटिक्स भी कर रही हो, क्रेडिबिलिटी कहाँ है? अगर तुम एक पार्टी की नेता हो, ठीक है, तुम अब एक पॉलिटिकल फिल्म कर रही हो,
So you will be
Obviously.
on the lines of that party.
Obviously.
Yeah, 100%.
क्रेडिबिलिटी का तो लाइक व्हाट मेक्स यू थिंक कि लोग देखो वही सेक्टर देखने जा रहा है, लाइक तुम सेक्टर बदल नहीं रही, मतलब या कोई भी जिसका भी मोटिव है कि मैं ये फिल्म दिखा के एक लोगों को शिफ्ट करवा लूं आइडियोलॉजीज में, या जो भी मोटिव है फिल्म का, वो अगर प्लीज कोई ये ना बोले कि सच दिखाना है मोटिव, बट जो भी है तुम उसी एक सेक्टर को केटर कर रहे हो. हम लोग नहीं जा रहे हो फिल्म देखने.
See, the thing is, when I feel like it's very difficult if you are a working politician, or
Yeah.
a working
Yeah.
leader, political leader,
Yeah.
you can't also be an actor because
an
Dude.
objective actor at least.
Correct, because see, if you are doing romantic films, okay, तुम romantic गाने गा रहे हो, as a woman in Bollywood, you have to wear like short clothes and all. No politician can be seen wearing short clothes as a woman, right?
देखो ये तो फिर ये तो moral compass और इन सब की
No,
बात
no,
है.
I'm not even going there, dude. I'm just saying a lot of times.
It doesn't go with the image. एक
See,
तरीके से.
exactly.
Yeah.
Women, especially women, right, are hyper aware of the image.
Yeah.
Uh,
In politics.
No, everywhere. I think women in general, more than the men, are
Yeah, yeah.
aware of what kind of image they're portraying at any point. अगर ये पहनूंगी तो I look like that. अगर ये पहनूंगी तो I look like that.
Okay.
This I look like a boss lady. So that's why when I'm going to this kind of place, I want to dress like this because I want to look like a boss lady. This one in my party mode. So in my party mode, I can be more khulla, more bindas. That's what I want to be wearing when I'm going out to party. Women are way more aware of that because men, dude, we can wear anything anywhere.
Yeah, yeah.
We don't give a shit.
भाई आज ही मेरे को गाली पड़ी ऑफिस में.
Oh.
क्या पहन के आया था? क्या है ये?
Yeah, ये देखता मैं भी गाली देता हूँ. But you get it, right?
Yeah.
So that's why, as a politician, you can't be seen wearing these kind of clothes while you're serving that political sentence. You know what I mean?
मतलब
Like,
I
I hope
see
I'm not
what-
coming across as sexist by saying this. I'm trying to be very nuanced in my.
You
So like something similar, I know it's not, it's a different gender, but Amitabh has gone through this where he actually saw his legitimacy as an actor take a hit.
Yeah,
I mean,
when
a
he
major
joined
hit when he joined
politics,
politics.
Same with Govinda.
Same with Govinda, and both of them are spawn of politics, saying
Yeah.
it was a big mistake in our
But
lives.
Govinda भी वापस आ गया politics में.
Really?
Yeah, अभी recently वापस
Yeah,
आया.
so sad, dude.
Bro, I like Govinda.
Oh, he shot himself in the leg.
Yeah, उसको इतना खराब लगा.
Govinda ji doesn't know when to quit what.
I swear, dude. I like
Yeah,
we
sure.
all love Govinda so dearly at this
Yeah.
point. We just want to see him work the best that he's
Yeah,
worked.
do-
You know?
Yeah, do anything. Bro.
But anyway,
Anyway, so-
कंगना के लिए
Yeah.
देखो पहला choice like recommendation would be like choose one out of the two, I guess.
Yeah.
I have a great suggestion, if I can just quickly.
Yeah, yeah.
Just Kangana, please, just do a film, one film, without picking a fight with someone on set. That's a big prerequisite.
That's a
कभी
genre.
तुम डायरेक्टर से निकाल रहे हो, डायरेक्टर को निकाल रहे हो काम से.
Without picking a fight, without picking a side.
हाँ, without picking a fight,
Yeah.
without picking a side, without insulting someone, you know, without calling someone.
कल उसने by the way तारीफ करी आर्यन खान की स्टोरी में अपनी इंस्टाग्राम स्टोरी में.
Wow, okay. Wow, she's trying to mend her ways.
No, she was like कि अच्छा लग रहा है देख के कि एक ए लिस्टर का बेटा जो है वो एक्टर बनना नहीं चाह रहा.
वो अपने आप को
director
पहले से
बनना
ये
चाह
समझ के बैठे कि मैं तो एक्टर बनूं.
रहा. Yeah.
So she took a dig in that place.
Exactly.
But
Okay, चलो ठीक है, do what you
it's
want.
just
What you want.
Kangna's way of
Yeah.
praising.
But
But
then
I would say a story like a self-exploratory, something like she did in Queen.
Queen, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sure,
because
yeah.
at least that film is still enjoyable because you can actually detach her political views, personal
Yeah,
views,
so
or a
the
personality.
thing
from
is कि Dikmanshu Dhulia famously said that Kangana is one of the best actresses of the country. And like to an extent, I agree that she's a good actress.
Very good.
ठीक है, I won't go like so far कि भाई इंडस्ट्री की बेस्ट एक्ट्रेस है, but I would still say कि हाँ चलो she's a decent good actress. She's done good films. Queen was a good film. She has Tanu Vs Manu was good. Tanu Vs Manu Returns was good. उसकी performances सही हैं. I would actually want to see her in something like this, slice of life again, as I said, कि एक actual normal लड़की की एक स्टोरी जो हो, एक फीमेल लेड मूवी वो करे, जिसके अंदर जबरदस्ती का पॉलिटिक्स हैम ना किया हो, जिसके अंदर जबरदस्ती का प्रोपेगेंडा हैम ना किया हो,
Correct, 100%.
जिसके अंदर जबरदस्ती की साइड पिकिंग ना करी हो, हाइपर नेशनलिज्म ना वो किया हो. भाई यार
Basically, move away from propaganda.
यार
please.
dude.
Yeah, enough propaganda. All that
Enough propaganda.
Tejas also.
Bro,
propaganda.
Tejas तो fucking bad boss. Anyway,
तेज देखी तूने?
कोशिश करी थी भाई मैंने.
अच्छा, पर
बहुत ही भाई धाकड़ देखी थी भाई इसके साथ मैंने. कतई भाई गंदी
Dude, you
पिक्चर.
know another route that Kangana could take, that whenever she finds out that Hrithik is making a particular kind of film.
और वो उसी टॉपिक पे जल्दी निकाल दे.
Exactly.
जो उसने तेजस के साथ किया
Exactly.
था. फाइटर एंड तेजस.
Perfect.
पता है एक ना मीम आया था कि बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना, अब ये तब से चुप ही नहीं हो रही है.
So yes, I would agree. Kangana Ranaut. So if I can then, Yeah, basically my thing with Kangana was कि just do a movie without fighting.
ब्रो कंगना को एक्चुअली अगर तुम मैडॉक यूनिवर्स में डाल दो
ओ उसको तो बेका की भी जरूरत नहीं है.
मैं पता है जेन्युइन वो बोल रहा था कि
मैं भी कुछ बोलने वाला था, मैं रुक गया.
नहीं बट शी वुड बी भाई वो हॉरर फिल्म बढ़िया कर जाएगी भाई.
Can dude, she'd make a good great Stree.
But you don't know because she tried something like that, not horror, but like thriller zone in judgmental क्या है and didn't.
Can you imagine? Oh Kangana, कलाना. आज मत सताओ भाई.
वो ऋतिक के घर के बाहर लिखा है.
कंगना, ओ कंगना अगले साल
कंगना
देखते हैं. अगले साल देखते हैं. अभी तो नहीं.
ओए यार पता नहीं यार कंगना के लिए तो I actually just feel bad that the industry lost a good actress
I agree.
to propaganda. That's
But
it.
because of her own.
Yeah.
foolishness,
I'm see. It is anyway very difficult to be an outsider in the industry.
Yeah.
She was an outsider. She is an outsider. She made her space. She made her place.
And then the
She
story.
cemented her spot in the industry.
Absolutely.
And
The problem is she only herself
Let it.
बस बुरा उस बात का लगता है बस कि वो हमारी इंडस्ट्री से हमारे पास वैसे ही बहुत कम लोग हैं जो बाहर से आके अपनी जगह बना पाते हैं, जिनको देख के हम जैसे लोग थोड़ा होप लाते हैं कि भाई ये कर सकते हैं तो हम लोग भी कर सकते हैं. चाहे 1 in a million हो, बट इन सच अ कॉम्पिटिटिव इंडस्ट्री वो 1 in a million होना भी एक होप की तरह ही होता है. तो अगर कंगना ने एक्चुअली वो अचीव कर लिया था तो हम लोग उस चीज़ को देख के थोड़ा होपफुल हो जाते थे कि यार वो कर सकती है तो हम भी कर सकते हैं, हम लोग भी कर लेंगे. बट वो इतना खराब हो गया. अब यू डोंट नो ना कि टॉप पे आगे कितने प्रेशर्स हैं. तुम्हारे पास कितने तरीके से प्रेशर्स आ रहे हैं, कितनी जगहों से क्या क्या प्रेशर आ रहे हैं, कौन कितना कहाँ तक झेल पाता है. सो आई वुड स्टिल गिव हर लाइक अ बेनिफिट ऑफ द डाउट इन इतना सिचुएशन में. बट देन अगेन एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू आर राइट कि जो एक्शंस लिए हैं वो तो एट द एंड ऑफ द डे तुम्हारे चेहरे पे ही आए हैं ना यार.
Yeah, correct.
तो लाइक दे आर बाय योर नेम. सो
Yeah.
इसलिए nobody else can be held accountable for that.
Dude,
since you
yeah.
mentioned the horror universe, I just want to say, put it out in the universe. I just
Hope they don't compromise the credibility and authenticity of that universe for bigger names. क्योंकि जैसे अब थामा में आयुष्मान and रश्मिका they have been, they can, Ayushmann can act, but like I am just hoping they don't lose out the.
नहीं करेंगे यार. दिनेश विजन में इतना तो है I guess.
मतलब
हाँ.
again, dude, you can only hope.
Yeah, one can only
One
hope.
can,
Yeah.
see, Ruhi was also Dinesh.
Yeah, and we was
Didn't.
pretty bad.
You have to realize all that has worked came from Amar Kaushik. Munjia was from Aditya Satrudra, but rest of all have been Bhedia was Amar Kaushik. So because it is Amar Kaushik, excited for Mahavatar and
The Vicky Kaushal film, dude, on Bhagwan Parshuram.
Oh,
I'm
wow.
finally so happy to see someone explore more mythology
Yeah.
stories other than
Ramayana and Mahabharat. Yeah.
एक्चुअली एक और फिल्म भी बन रही है. दैट्स वो उनके अवतार पे है. नरसिम्हा अवतार के ऊपर भी एक फिल्म बन रही है. और वो भी अनाउंस हो गई. आप लोगों ने अभी तक हनुमान नहीं देखी.
उसका
But-
second
I
part.
watched Hanuman.
नहीं तुमने देखी है, तुम हम तो साथ ही देख कर
उसका
रहे
उसका second part.
उसका सेकंड पार्ट जय हनुमान
Jai Hanuman.
भी
Yeah, he is making a full universe. There are
यूनिवर्स.
so
एंड
many.
गेस हूज प्लेइंग जय हनुमान में हनुमान जी
Rishabh Shetty.
द गाय फ्रॉम
Kantara.
Kantara.
Yeah, okay, wow. Oh yeah, cool man, sweet, nice.
And I think Ranveer was actually was supposed to play, na?
So that was a different film.
Acha, it was a different film. Okay.
Of the same universe but different film. But some audio.
Yeah, so but yeah. कोई नहीं रणवीर, हमने तुम्हें बता दिया क्या करना है.
Guys,
बस वही कर लो.
guys, we forgot to mention that the number one thing that Ranveer should concentrate on doing is Shaktiman.
2.5 घंटे तक तो तुम ऑफिस में बैठे
और बैठ गया है.
Dude, that man.
Yeah, yeah.
इतना बैक किया उसने.
I swear, dude, shit,
Mukesh Khanna has
bro.
lost it, bro.
Kangna and Mukesh Khanna should have a party together.
Yeah, bro, correct.
Bro, have you seen that interview where Mukesh Khan basically Gangadharan interviews Shaktiman?
Who?
Like Mukesh Khanna basically dressed in Mukesh
Oh,
Khanna
got it.
clothes basically and interviews Mukesh Khanna
as
dressed in
Shaktiman.
Basically Clark Kent interviewing Superman.
Yeah, get it. I get it. Okay. Was that good?
Bro, बहुत आप जरूर देखना.
Okay.
जरूर देखना.
Chalo, on the way back home.
Whatever you consume before the episode, consume that and watch that interview.
Done. Sounds good.
And that's a wrap, guys.
And that's a wrap, guys. वी शैल सी यू नेक्स्ट वीक। ओ पहले अपने वो प्लग कर दो सब
Yes,
कुछ।
please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, comment below
Yes.
what you would like all these actors to be doing
Yes.
instead of whatever crap they're doing now.
Yeah, and if you would like to and if you would like us to turn this into a series, कि हम लोग हर कुछ 1-2 हफ्तों में 3-4 हफ्तों में ऐसे एक सेट ऑफ 6 एक्टर्स लाएं और अब रेकमेंड करेंगे भाई उनको ये कर देना चाहिए। अब मतलब कभी ना कभी तो उन तक पहुंच ही जाएगी ये वीडियो,
हाँ 100%,
है ना? तो प्लीज डू सब्सक्राइब, लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड डू टेल अस आप लोग क्या चाहते हो कि ये एक्टर्स क्या करें, आप लोग क्या चाहते हो कि हम लोग क्या करें।
Okay, sure.
ठीक है?
Yeah.
और कुछ पूछना है?
No, that's it. Please follow us everywhere. Instagram and YouTube. You can follow me, Antariksha Thakkar. You can also check out all the other shows that I'm a part of. I'm doing That Filmy Game Show, releasing it on my YouTube channel, Antariksha Thakkar. I'm also producing Spender Bender, which is on the Spender Bender YouTube channel, and Crickheads, which is on the Crickheads YouTube channel. Please check both the shows.
और दैट फिल्मी गेम शो ये लाइव करते हैं, तो अगर आप लोग को उसके टिकट्स खरीद के लाइव
Thank you.
देखना हो तो
Yes.
वो भी आप जा सकते हो।
Thank you so much.
ठीक है?
Please come for live.
Yes, please go for live shows. They are very
Some
fun.
of the best, yes.
बहुत ज्यादा फन। मैंने खुद अटेंड किए हैं 2 और मैं हारा हूँ 1 तो। Anyway, आकाश भाई।
Guys, like, share, subscribe, comment, and spread some love to all of us. And also follow me on Instagram, AkashVinay7. And please drop some ideas of some innovative things you would want us
Yes.
to do.
And-
want them to do.
Yes.
I'm a guest. Okay.
And shout out
Yeah.
to Ashish Shetty who is behind the camera. उन्होंने सोचा कि वो ऐसे दिखाएंगे बट उन्होंने हमें ऐसे दिखाया कि सालों 2:30 बज गए, खत्म करो, घर जाओ, तुम लोग तो वेले, मेरे पास तो काम है। But we'll see you next week guys.
Yeah.
Stay tuned. Bye bye.